In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to assemble the Relax the Back Elevo. The first thing we're going to do is tip the chair base forward onto its front. This will make it easier to install the backrest. Next, we're going to place the backrest into position, aligning the 4 screw holes on the base of the backrest with these 4 mounting posts. As you place the backrest into position, feed the heat cable between the seat cushion and the mounting frame. While supporting the backrest with one hand, put pressure on the base of the backrest with the other hand to hold it in position while installing the provided screws and washers into those 4 screw holes. And you can hand install and tighten those to secure the backrest, and then continue tightening them all the way with the provided Allen wrench. Next, we're going to locate the heater cable that comes from the backrest, along with the corresponding heater cable from the chair base, and connect those 2 connectors. Okay. Then we can pull down that lower upholstery flap then, and wrap it around the base of the backrest. And there's Velcro on the corners as well, so make sure that you wrap it and attach it snugly along the bottom and around the corners. Okay? And next we'll take the next flap, which attaches to the bottom of the lower crossbar there, again using hook and loop fasteners. And finally, pull down the top upholstery flap and attach it to the hook and loop fasteners on the front face of that crossbar. Actually, before attaching that final flap, make sure this power cable is sticking out the side here, because we'll need to connect that to power next. Next, we're ready to return the chair to the upright position. And we can go ahead and place the remote. The remote attaches to the side of the chair, just above the seam there, as you can see, using a magnet. Then we're ready to connect the chair's power cable to the power supply, and then lock that connection using, there's a little cable lock there. Like so. Then you can plug the power supply into the wall, and we're done.